Dear students, welcome back to the third part of coordination compounds. In this part, you will be learning isomerism and classification. In the classification, structural isomerism and its types, and also stereoisomerism and its types. In the previous video, you learned nomenclature of coordination compounds and also calculation of oxidation number of central metal atom. Let us begin our today's session with isomerism definition. Iso means same. Two or more compounds which have same molecular formula with different structural arrangements are called as isomers, and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. Classification of isomerism. Isomerism can be broadly classified into two types: structural isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomers, in which molecules of the compound are having different structural arrangement, whereas in the case of stereoisomerism there is a geometrical changes for the complexes. In structural isomers there are mainly four types: ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, hydrate or solvate isomerism, and coordination isomerism. Whereas in case of stereoisomerism there are two types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Moving to the structural isomerism. Structural isomers which have same molecular formula but different arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom or ion. The first type, that is ionization isomerism. We understand this with an example: CONH3 5 times BrSO4. The same complex can be written with a modification in the ions, that is CONH3 5 times SO4Br. When these two salts are dissolved in water, even though they have a same molecular formula, they give different anions. In one case, SO4 2 minus is an anion. In the second case, Br minus is an anion, because they are outside the bracket and they are known as counter ions or ionization pair. So moving to the definition, coordination compounds which have same molecular formula but give different ions in solution are known as ionization isomers, and the phenomenon is known as ionization isomerism. The first complex, that is CONH3 5 times BrSO4, which is treated with barium chloride, gives white precipitate of barium sulfate, whereas the second complex CONH3 5 times SO4Br, which is treated with silver nitrate, gives rise to pale yellow precipitate of AgBr. That is the difference. We can understand there are two different anions are formed in solution state. Some more examples: PtNH3 4 times OH twice SO4 and PtNH3 4 times SO4 OH twice. Together it is one example. Moving to the next example: PtNH3 4 times Cl2 Br2 and PtNH3 4 times Br2 Cl2. You can observe here there are different counter ions or ionization pair with same molecular formula. Third example: CONH3 5 times NO3 SO4 and CONH3 5 times SO4 NO3. Remember this definition with example, which is very important for 2 marks. Moving to the next type of structural isomerism, that is linkage isomerism. We understand this with the example: CuNH3 5 times NO2 2 plus, where NO2 group is attached with two different ions. In one case, oxygen atom of NO2 is a donor of electron, whereas in the second case, nitrogen atom of NO2 is a donor of electrons. So this is possible in linkage isomerism, as an atom is ready to donate their pair of electron and which is linked to central metal atom, that is linkage isomerism. Moving to the definition, coordination compounds having same molecular formula but central metal atom is linked to same ligand through different donor atoms are called as linkage isomers, and the phenomenon is linkage isomerism. And these linkage isomerism can be observed with ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands, the same unidentate ligand which can donate their pair of electron from two different donor atoms. Example, CuNH3 5 times ONO2 plus and CuNH3 5 times NO2 2 plus. Another example, MnCO 5 times SCN and MnCO 5 times NCS. Here in the first case, sulfur is a donor of electron to manganese, whereas in the second case, nitrogen which donates their pair of electron to manganese. Moving to the next one, CrH2O 5 times Cn2 plus and CrH2O 5 times Nc2 plus. Here in this case also, carbon is donating their pair of electron in the first case, whereas nitrogen is a donor atom in the second case, which is donating their pair of electron to central metal atom chromium. Next, third example, CONH3 4 times NO2 twice Py twice NO3 and CONH3 4 times ONO twice Py twice NO3. Remember this definition and example which is asked for 2 marks. Moving to the third type of structural isomerism, that is hydrate or solvate isomerism. As the name itself indicates, the complex which is showing their isomerism with respect to different number of water molecules. Example, CrH2O 6 times Cl3 which gives violet color, CrH2O 5 times Cl2 H2O green color, CrH2O 4 times Cl2 Cl2H2O green in color. You can observe here water molecule as a ligand is having a different number in these 3 examples. In the first case, there are 6 water molecule as a ligand. Second case, 5 water molecule as a ligand, and in the third case 4 water molecules as a ligand. So as the number of water decreases, there is a different color formation and which come under hydrate or solvate isomerism. Moving to the definition, coordination compounds have same molecular formula but differ in the number of water molecules inside as a ligand and outside the coordination sphere are called hydrate isomers, and the phenomenon is known as hydrate isomerism. So you can observe the linkage. In the first case, there are 6 H2O molecules as a ligand. In the second case, 5 H2O molecules plus 1 Cl as a ligand. In the third case, there are 4 H2O molecules and 2 Cl groups as ligand. Few more examples, CONH3 4 times H2O Cl Cl2 and CONH3 4 times Cl2 Cl H2O. Next example, CrPy twice H2O twice Cl2 Cl and CrPy twice H2O Cl3 H2O. You can observe the number of water molecules inside the square bracket as a ligand. Third example, CONH3 thrice H2O twice Cl Br2 and CONH3 thrice H2O Cl Br H2O. So the different number of water molecules you can observe as ligands. One of the important definition for 2 marks. Moving to the last type of structural isomerism, that is coordination isomerism. You can observe here CONH3 6 times CrCN 6 times. There are two complexes. One is complex cation and another is complex anion. If the central metal atoms they interchange their ligands, there is a formation of another compound, that is CrNH3 6 times, COCN 6 times. Now you can observe there in the first case cobalt, which is having a 6 NH3 ligands, whereas in the second case the same cobalt is having Cn as a ligand. So there is an interchange of ligands that come under coordination isomerism, and the name for first compound, that is CONH3 6 times, CrCN 6 times. You can follow the same nomenclature part: complex cation first part, complex anion second part. Hexaamine cobalt 2 hexacyanidochromate 2. Moving to the definition, coordination compounds having same molecular formula but differ in coordination entities are known as coordination isomers, and the phenomenon is known as coordination isomerism, or in other words, the isomerism which is caused by interchange of ligands between the two complex ions is called coordination isomerism. Few more examples: CuNH3 4 times, PtCl4. Now you interchange the ligands, PtNH3 4 times, CuCl4. You can observe that. Moving to the next example, CrNH3 6 times, CrCN6, and CrNH3 4 times, Cn2, CrNH3 twice, Cn4. Third example, COEN thrice, CrCN6, and CrEn thrice, COCN6. And the last example, CrNH3 6 times, COC2O4 thrice, and CONH3 6 times, CrC2O4 thrice. Dear students, you can observe that the ligands are interchanged with central metal atom. See, in the third case, both the central metal atoms are same, but the number of ligand you can observe, in one case there are 6 CN groups in the first line, whereas in the second line there are 2 CN groups and 4 CN groups. In the first case there are 6 NH3 groups, whereas in the second case there are 4 plus 2. So there is an interchange of ligands takes place. Moving to the second type of isomerism, that is stereoisomerism. These stereoisomers have same chemical formula and bonding, but they have different spatial arrangement of atoms in space. The first type, that is geometrical isomerism. These type of isomers arise due to heteroleptic complexes which are having different possible geometrical arrangements of ligands. So these geometrical isomers can be exhibited by coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. That means there are 4 donor atoms or there are 6 donor atoms. The 4 coordination number, that is square planar geometry, which can show geometrical isomers, and also coordination number 6, that is octahedral complexes, can also show geometrical isomers. Whereas the coordination number 4 for tetrahedral complexes, they do not show geometrical isomers because the positions of the ligands attached to the central metal atoms are the same with respect to each other, that is their bond angles. They are same, hence even though there is a coordination number 4 for tetrahedral complexes, they do not show geometrical isomers. Please remember this point. There are 2 types of geometrical isomers, that is the first one is cis isomer. That means same ligands are adjacent to each other, or same ligand same side, cis isomer. And trans isomers, same ligands are arranged in the opposite to each other, that is same ligand opposite to each other, they are trans isomers. Taking example for geometrical isomers, that is cis trans isomers of the type MA2B2. Here A and B are the two different ligands come under heteroleptic complexes, and both can donate one pair of electron each. Therefore, there are total 4 pair of electron donation, 2 from A and 2 from B, which is going to form one cis isomer and one trans isomer. We take an example for Ma2B2, that is PT NH3 twice Cl2. Here NH3 is one type of a ligand and Cl is another type of ligand, and PT is a central metal atom. The cis and trans isomers formed here are these. Here the Cl groups are present at one side and NH3 groups are present on the other side. That is cis isomer. Whereas trans isomer, they are opposite to each other. I go with respect to NH3. Two NH3 groups are on the same side of central metal atom, whereas in the second case the same NH3 groups are opposite to each other. They are known as trans isomers. Important for 2 marks. Please practice. Moving to the next type of geometrical isomerism with respect to coordination number 4 for square planar geometries, that is MABCD type, where A, B, C and D are 4 different types of ligands which are donating their pair of electrons to central metal atom M, which leads to the formation of 2 cis and 1 trans isomer. You can imagine any of the 2 ligands are of same priority. In this case, I consider A and B are having same priority, which are on the same side gives cis isomer. Another same type of A, B, same side priority gives cis isomer, whereas when they are in the opposite side gives trans isomer, which is one of the competitive exam question. Please remember. Moving to the next one, that is cis trans isomers for coordination number 6, that is octahedral complexes. So there must be the presence of total 6 donor atoms. Ma2B4. A is donating 2 pair of electrons and B is donating total 4 pair of electron. Possibilities: 1 cis isomer and 1 trans isomer. We take an example for Ma2B4, that is CO Cl2 NH3 4 times plus. Here Cl2 represents A2 and NH3 4 times represents B4. We write the structure. Here in the first one, Cl are adjacent to each other, hence it gives cis isomer, whereas in the second case they are on the opposite side, hence it is trans isomer. So please remember, here we are going with the least number of ligands, because 4 ligands always it is going to give adjacent position only. So we are considering 2 ligands only, that is Cl2, which is adjacent to each other, cis isomer. If they are opposite to each other, trans isomer, which is one of the important example for 2 marks. Moving to the next one, coordination number 6, octahedral geometry. Complex type is Ma2BB2. A2, it is a monodentate ligand, and BB2 is bidentate ligand. Here also there is a formation of 1 cis and 1 trans isomer. We see the example here. Ma2BB2. Example: CO Cl2 En twice. En is ethane 1,2-diamine. There are the 2 nitrogen atoms which can donate their pair of electrons. So it is come under bidentate ligand. Here you can observe En, it is donating their 2 pair of electron to central metal atom cobalt, and the 2 Cl groups which are adjacent to each other, cis isomer. If they come opposite to each other, trans isomer. Don't forget to write the charge, which is one of the important example for 2 marks. Moving to the third part in the same coordination number 6, if it is having same number of ligands Ma3B3, both are donating their 1 pair of electrons, there is a formation of another type of geometrical isomer, that is facial and meridional isomer. So what is facial isomer? Facial isomers, that is if the 3 ligands occupy adjacent positions at the corner of octahedral face, then it is facial isomer. Next, meridial or mer isomer. If the three similar ligands occupy meridian position of the octahedron, we get meridional isomer. With example we can understand. Ma3B3 type, example CONH3 thrice, NO2 thrice. So example is here. You can observe the first one is facial. So you can observe here there are three NO2 groups which are on one side. They are adjacent to each other, giving rise to facial arrangement. In the second case, there are three NO2 groups, 1, 2, and here it is a third one. And in between there is a NH3 group at the bottom, which gives rise to meridional or mer isomer. If they are not adjacent to each other, come under meridional. The condition is two different ligands with same number of donor atoms, Ma3B3, which is again important for 2 marks and one of the important question for competitive exams. Moving to the next type of stereoisomerism, that is optical isomerism. Remember this optical isomers which are obtained by the rotation of plane polarized light, and such compounds are known as optically active compounds. On the basis of the rotation, there are two different optical isomers. Isomerism due to optical activity of the compounds are known as optical isomers. Complexes which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, they are also known as enantiomers. And the molecules or the ions that cannot be superimposed, they are known as chiral. In the first case, right and left hands, if you drag one above the other, you will not getting the fingers one above the other exactly. That is, the two thumbs are on opposite side, and this is going to happen with all the other fingers that come under chiral objects. They are known as non-superimposable mirror images. Whereas in the second case, there is a flask. If you drag one above the other, you can get exactly same as that of the previous picture, and that come under chiral, and this is superimposable mirror image. So here in this optical isomers, the compounds must be non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Further, the optical isomers have different physical and chemical properties, and they rotate plane polarized light in a different direction. That is, one direction, that is levorotatory L isomer, a complex that rotates the plane polarized light towards left side, come under levorotatory. And if the same plane polarized light, if it rotates towards right side, then it is known as dextrorotatory or D isomer. And these optical isomers are common in octahedral complexes having didentate or the bidentate ligands. And also the cis isomer of octahedral complexes show optical activity, whereas the trans isomer which can form superimposable mirror images that cannot form optical isomers. One of the important point, only cis isomers can form optical isomers, that too coordination number 6. Moving to the examples. First one, optical isomers, that is D and L of cis CON thrice 3 plus. Here it is a picture. One is dextrorotatory and another is levorotatory. If you bring one isomer on the other one, there is no superimposable mirror images. The groups possess different possible positions for the complex, dextrorotatory and levorotatory. If you take this as a plane of symmetry, then if the light rotates towards the right side, that is dextrorotatory. And if you are placing plane of symmetry here in this case, and if the light rotates towards the left side, because En is at the left side, going to show levorotatory. So these D and L isomers are non-superimposable mirror images. If you drag levo on dextro, you will not be getting superimposed pictures. Important for 2 marks. We take another example. Cis PT Cl to En twice 2 plus. Cis isomers, one can rotate their plane polarized light towards right, that is dextrorotatory. If this is a plane of symmetry, light rotates towards right side because Cl is at the right side, dextrorotatory. If the plane of symmetry is here and the light rotates towards left side, then it is levorotatory. That means D and L isomers are non-superimposable mirror image of one another. Again, one of the important example for 2 marks. Please practice these structures which are very important for your board exam. Thank you all. Have a nice day.